Hello everyone and welcome to JP Creation, and in this lecture we are going to start with fixing the skin deformation on the leg portion. So we will be only fixing the skin deformation on one leg, and on the other side it will be we will be creating the mirror of this side. So to do this, first we have to select the body and then we can go to rigging mode by clicking on this menu selector and changing it to rigging, and then click on skin and then click on paint skin weight, or we can also click on this option box. First come and reset this, and we can close this from here. Now if we want to see the weight of this bone, we can right click on this bone and then select the select influence, so that we can select the weight for that particular bone. Or else if we double click on this icon, like on this paint skin weight tool, then we can also see the bones joint here in this panel. So if we select it from here, then also it is okay. But if we get confused, like every time you cannot open this panel and then come here and select this from here and then paint it over here. So to do this easily, we can directly right click on the bone and then select the select influence, so that it will show that particular selected bone influence. Influence means the weight for that particular bone. So to paint, if we again double click on this tool, we can see that we are on paint mode, and in the paint mode we are going to paint it with 100% opacity. One is for 100% opacity, like if we go down from 1 to 0, 0 means there will be no weight in the joint, and now we can keep it on 1 and opacity and the value which we want to paint. So this is the opacity and this will be the value. Okay, so in this way we can use both this option. For now we have to keep this 1 and 1, and we will only be using the paint option. If I paint here just by left click and painting in this way, you can see the overall paint we are doing is in white color. So till here we have to paint the leg properly, till where the bone will get deformed, till that place we have to paint it properly. And after painting it, now we can see that this joint is also influenced here. So we don't want that the paint is coming here, we don't want this paint. So with value 0 we can again paint over here, so that it will go away, and then here we can see the black color. So that this black color indicates that there is no influence in this area. So till here it is done. Now if I right click on the down bone and then select that, and after that if we select the select influence option, now we can see is there any influence above. Yes, here I can see the influence. So here we will paint it and remove it in the same way over here. Paint and remove the influence where you don't want. So now with 100% influence we can paint it over here. Okay, so till here it is done. Now if we again go to this bone and select the select influence option, we can see that if downwards there is any influence, we can paint it and remove it from there. So with 0% value we will again paint it. If we want a smooth transition between both the painted area, then we can just hold shift and then paint over here in this way, so that we will get a smooth transition between both the painted joints. In this way again we can right click over here and then select influence and then hold shift and then do in this way. so that this is properly painted over here. If we press W, then we are out of this. While using this tool, if we want to bring this leg up and then paint it, and after painting the leg, if we want to again bring it in the original position, then there is one technique for doing this. We can just select the controller for the leg. So I will select the left leg IK handle. After selecting this, first we have to right click on the joints and then set preferred angle and assume preferred angle. So we need to select this option called set preferred angle, so that now we have set this joints as a set preferred angle. So whenever we will change this, like if I select this left leg and then bring it up, after painting this overall joint, if I again right click and set it to assume preferred angle, it will again come to its original location. Okay, so this is very useful while doing the painting. So I will again bring this up, and after bringing it here a little bit here, again we will start painting the joint. So select the body and then select this option. I will select this joint and then select influence. So we need to remove the influence from here. So with 0% value I am painting over here. If you want a smooth transition, then press hold shift and then paint on this area. So you will get a smooth transition like this. Okay, so till here it is okay. Then we need to paint it over here. I will again right click on this joint and then select the select influence. We are not able to see the polygons between both these joints. So for this we will again select the left leg IK handle, press W and bring it little bit down in this way. And after doing it in this bringing in this position, now again we will select the body and then go to paint mode, and now we will paint it properly. So we need to give some feather here, remove the influence from here, and then again give a small smooth transition. Right click on this joint, select influence and then subtract it this from here, and then holding shift again give a smooth transition only at this area. After doing this, slowly and gradually I have to bring the IK handle up and then again paint it. So this is little bit lengthy, but if you do it in the proper way, then you will get the proper result at the end while doing animation. So again go to this. Now we can again give a smooth transition over here so that the joints will not get overlap. Again press W, select the left leg IK and take it little bit up. So till here it is okay. Again we will select the body and then going to the paint view, we will just give a smooth transition little bit more only in this area where we are not able to see it properly. Only at that location we have to paint it. So till here it is done. Now it is perfectly set. If we want this to bring in the original location now, we can again right click and set it to assumed preferred angle. But before doing that, I will again paint it over here, because here I am not able to see it proper way. So select the body and then again go to the paint selection mode, and by holding, don't hold anything, just remove the influence from this side, because we don't want this much weight over here. Hold shift and paint it on this, all this vertices here, so that we will get some smooth transition. We can right click on this joint here and select influence, and you can see that here also we have some influence. So remove this from here in this way. We don't want any influence. After removing, again click on this and then select influence and again paint it. You might have to do this again and again, because sometime it gets changed automatically after doing it. So we have to paint a joint and again go to this joint, and then after painting this joint, again we have to come upward and select the influence for this joint and see it again. So this process will go again and again, like 2 to 3 times, and then we can uh, make sure that it is in perfect way. After you are satisfied, like now it is in a perfect position, then you can right click on this joint and then select assume preferred angle, so that it will come in the main position in which we have created the model. After painting for the leg, now we will go to skeleton option and select this mirror, not mirror joints. Here we will get one option, not in the skeleton, in the skin, because we have done the skinning area. So in the skinning we have to select the mirror skin weight option box. After selecting this, first come and reset this. After resetting this, now we have to mirror in YZ, correct? And you can see in the YZ we have to do this, and keep all this as it is, no need to change anything, and then hit on mirror. It has not been done because the body is not yet selected, so select the body and then mirror it. So now if we select the right leg IK handle and move this up, you can see the paint area is showing proper way for the right side also. So no need to do any painting work again. So in this way you can fix the skin deformation on the leg area. Okay, so in the next lecture we will start with fixing the hands or the head area. Okay.